Welcome back, fam. We're here on the North Shore of Hawaii, here with Sophia. We're about to go on a little adventure. It's the afternoon, it's 5:14. So Sophia's having a little pizza dinner. I already am full from lunch at Pounders. I got myself a holy cow. Delicious. We're gonna go have some Ted's Bakery. It's open now. It was closed for about 8 months from COVID, so we're super psyched to try that out. And then we're gonna head up to Sunset and look for some whales and see what the water's doing. And we're super psyched, so we'll check back in a second. See ya. Alrighty, we're here at Ted's Bakery. Shibuya, Shibuya. Delicious. You pumped? So pumped. Gotta mask up. Alrighty. We gotta figure out what we're gonna get. I'm getting strawberry guava. Delicious.
Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, turn it over. Oh, we're going good now. Alrighty, I'm coming. We got the drone. We got the binoculars. Oh, look, you hear her? She wants to jaywalk, caught on camera.
Why do you do that?
Let's see what happens. You know how I am, you know? I live on the edge. Lily Koi Cream pie. Oh, she wants to run now. Look at her run across the road. Where's the sidewalk?
There's no one here.
There's no one here except for all these cops. She's crazy. We're gonna have to stay up high so we can see the whales. So we're here at Sunset Beach and we saw whales straight away. Boom.
Yeah.
So now we're back at it. Gonna find a spot. I told Sophia we need to go down here strategically to so we're not looking into the sun. All right, we just spotted them. Getting the drone out. Not sure how we're gonna do this takeoff because we're on the beach. Right there. See them going off right there? Out there. Oh, whole whale just jumped out of the water.
That was a whale?
That was a whale.
Man, I wish you. Man, George, there's a ton of jet skis.
Okay, I got the drone lined up on them. They're out there. We're going straight at them. 42 miles an hour. Get it. All right, check back in a second. Okay, update. We got the drone. I got the whales on camera. and you'll see the video. I'll add it right here. But the drone only was set to max out at 8,000 feet, and the whales were maybe at like 10,000. So you can see them blowing, and I could probably zoom in the video. But with DJI, you can change the max distance that it will go out, and so I just changed that. It's way out there, but we're gonna send it. We still got our eyes on them. Check out the video. All right, fam, we're on them. I'm watching the screen. We're right out at. They're actually closer now. They're at 8,000 feet. Well, we were at 8,500 feet when we first caught them, and now they're back at 8,000.
It's hard to see them with the flare.
Yeah. Oh, there they are. They're back up. So we'll add this to the video, but we'll keep the camera rolling so you can get my audio. Yeah, so the camera's kind of glitching out, so if I'm not tracking them super tight, that's because that's why. But boom, water spout.
GoPro died.
We're getting right on top of them now. What?
I think the GoPro died, or the screen died.
Oh no, yeah, it's still going.
Sorry.
It's all good. So it's hard to see them. One thing I need to learn how to do is take off the ND filters when oh, there they are, right below me. Boom. It's super dark. They're on them. We're on them.
Been on them.
Only one now.
Tell him that a little bit ago, one of them jumped out, like completely out of the water.
I mean, the GoPro was going, but you probably didn't see us. Yeah, the whale was fully out of the water, and
it was
sadly
big.
We didn't get it on video, but
it looks like they're way over now. Yeah, are you moving with them? Because now it looks like they're over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't know exactly. There's some big waves rolling in. I'm chasing one, but I don't know where like the other like 7 went.
I'm gonna go look. Oh, okay, hold on.
See, I'm right next to that one, but oh,
Okay,
there they are. Now
yeah,
they're
there's a
popping
bunch
up.
right here.
Oh yeah, tail flip.
You see that one come out of the water?
What? Just now?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I'm flipping around to kind of.
Well, if you're on them, I'd keep on them.
Yeah, I'm
Look,
circling.
they're over here. Sorry.
Whoops, my drone just.
I'm gonna put this down. Catch it and set
Okay.
it.
The drone was, you know, it was 7,000 feet out there, so I was just coming in, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, it's past you. It's like critical low battery, like forced landing. It's trying to land out in the street. Shows me a quick snippet, like it's like basically running into the side of the bus. I'm like, oh my gosh, book it, jump over the fence, hop over. Sophia saw it like trying to land right over there. I saw it trying to land. Absolutely nuts.
That was nuts.
But we're gonna enjoy our pie and watch this beautiful sunset. Yeah, hopefully we'll see some more jumping.
That's
It's
the
awesome.
goal now, is to catch one jumping.
Yeah, we'll catch them jumping. Guys, the sun's down. It's getting a little chilly, so we're gonna head out here for tonight. It's been a great time. Saw lots of whales, super pumped. Great pie. The lily koi, I guess let's do a quick review. What was your overall? Yeah, let's get the, so we got the Ted's Bakery lily koi cheese pie. 1 out of 10, 10 being awesome, 1 being 0.
I thought that was your rating.
One sucking. What do you give it?
I'd give it a 4.
A 4. Quick reason why.
Oh, you said 1 being awesome?
No, 1 being bad.
Oh, then a 4. Because it was, like you said, it just tastes like whipped cream.
Okay, yeah.
Not a lot of flavor, lots of sugar.
I would give it a 6, just because the flavor that was there, I really liked it. But the cream, yeah, there was just a little bit of flavor. The flavor was good. The rest was kind of whipped cream. Really, I mean, we didn't bring any water, and we regret that. It's pretty dry. And sorry, I haven't been looking at the camera, but we appreciate you guys watching. Catch us next time. Subscribe, like, comment. It just boosts everything. So we love you guys, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.